Hello everyone, I am Deepika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we will discuss about fats. First, introduction. Fat usually means any ester of fatty acids or mixture of such compounds, most commonly those that occur in living beings or in food. फैट क्या होते हैं? एस्टर्स होते हैं ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स, मीन्स फैटी एसिड के एस्टर्स होते हैं, या फिर उन सब्सटेंसेस का, उन कंपाउंड्स का मिक्सचर भी हो सकता है. जनरली ये पाए जाते हैं लिविंग बींग्स में एंड फूड्स में. फैट इज़ यूज्ड एज द फैटी कंपोनेंट ऑफ फूड एंड डाइट. इसको हम एज अ फैटी कंपोनेंट यूज़ करते हैं ऑफ फूड एंड डाइट. फैट आर बेस्ट नोन मेंबर ऑफ अ केमिकल ग्रुप कोल्ड लिपिड. फैट्स जो हैं बेस्ट नोन मेंबर हैं ऑफ लिपिड्स. The term lipid is applied to a group of naturally occurring substances. Lipids क्या होते हैं? Naturally occurring substances characterized by insolubility in water, greasy feel and soluble in organic solvent. So lipids क्या होते हैं? Naturally occurring compounds होते हैं, insoluble in water, greasy in feel and soluble in organic solvent like ether, chloroform, benzene or other fat solvents. The term lipid was first used by German biochemist Blur in 1943. Next is its composition. Lipids, like carbohydrates, are composed of the three elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The lower amount of oxygen in relation to the other two elements result in lipids being a more concentrated source of energy than carbohydrate. Example, 1 gram of C 4 cal, 1 gram of P 4 cal and 1 gram of F is 9 cal. Chemical composition. Triglycerides or triglycerols are the main form of fat both in foodstuffs and in the storage depots of most animals. They are esters of glycerols and fatty acids. जैसे एग्जाम्पल है ग्लिसरॉल्स का, इसमें क्या प्रेजेंट है? 3 फैटी एसिड्स. 3 फैटी एसिड्स को अगर हम कंबाइन करते हैं देन हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट क्या आता है? ग्लिसरॉल. फैटी एसिड्स आर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स विद हाइड्रोजन कार्बन साइड चेन. आर द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ लिपिड्स. ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म होते हैं लिपिड्स की. ओवर 40 डिफरेंट फैटी एसिड्स आर फाउंड इन नेचर. Fatty acids are classified based on the length of carbon change into 3 short chains with less than 8 carbons, medium chain with 10 to 14 carbons and long chain with 16 to 18 carbons. Classification. Lipids are classified as simple compounds and derived lipids based on composition. Simple lipids, esters of fatty acid with certain alcohols. They are usually further classified according to the nature of alcohols, like example fats and oils and waxes. Compounds or complex lipids, ester of fatty acids which on hydrolysis yield other substances in addition to fatty acid and an alcohol. Derived lipids, these are substances liberated during hydrolysis of simple and compound lipids which still remain the properties of lipids. Functions. Function as an insulator, protector, source of energy, energy reserve, essential constitution of the membrane of every cell, regulator of the body function, absorption of fat soluble vitamins. So it's all about the fats. Thank you. Have a nice day.